Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for IB History Paper 2. Start by mapping the syllabus to past papers and setting clear weekly goals. Break topics into focus sessions and rotate themes to build long-term recall. Use timed answers to practice structure and pace, then review feedback to refine arguments. Keep a simple evidence bank for each topic and update it after every practice to track progress and confidence. Draft a reliable essay structure template you can adapt under exam pressure. Begin with a concise thesis, outline your main points, and assign evidence to each paragraph before writing. Use signposting phrases to guide the examiner through your analysis and compare causes, consequences, or perspectives where relevant. Practice turning raw notes into coherent paragraphs within timed conditions to build fluency and confidence in presenting balanced, evidence-based arguments. Create a compact evidence bank and tag items by topic, date, and author for quick retrieval during exams. Include a mix of primary sources and trusted historians to strengthen analysis and show viewpoint awareness. Practice integrating short evidence snippets into paragraphs so citations sound natural, not forced. Regularly update the bank after readings and discussions, and rehearse citing pieces in timed answers to build speed and accuracy under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.